Hey everyone, let's discuss a model question paper for Central University Common Entrance Test. So moving on to the part A. Part A contained 25 questions. So let's look. The first question, you dash better consult a doctor soon. Option A is have to, option B has to, option C had, and option D shall. So the answer for the question is option C had. You had better consult a doctor soon. Okay. And coming to next is second question is she stands a good chance dash the match. Okay, she stands a good chance dash the match. And option A to win, option B of winning, option C for winning, and option D towards winning. So the answer for this question is option C for winning. She stands a good chance for winning the match. Okay. And coming to the third question is your performance is very option A applicable, option B appreciating, option C remarking, and option D remarkable. So this answer for the question is option C remarking. Your performance is very remarking. And coming to the next question is question number 4. The invention of the wheel has proved a great dash for mankind. Option A device, option B use, option C boon, and option D service. So the answer for the question is option B use. The invention of the wheel has proven a great use for mankind. And coming to the next is question number 5. I have not had dash breakfast this morning. Option A some, option B any, option C nothing, and option D something. So the answer for the question is option B any. I have not had any breakfast this morning. So the next question is he dash for her since morning. Option A waited, option B waiting, option C has been waiting, and option D may be waiting. So the answer for the question is option C has been waiting. He has been waiting for her since morning. And question number 7 is I prefer tea dash coffee. Option A two, option B than, option C more, and option D rather. So this answer for the question is option A two. I prefer tea to coffee. So this is slightly confusing question. So the answer is 2. Many of them think that the answer will be rather, but this answer for the question is 2. And next is my parents were dash happy to see me win. My parents were dash happy to see me win. Option A, two, option B, most, option C, more, and option D, extreme. So the answer for the question is option D, extreme. My parents were extreme happy to see me win. Then next question is the police forbade us dash enter the house where the theft has been placed. Option A not to, option B to, option C do not, and option D to not. So the answer for the question is option B 2, that is the police forbade us to enter the house where the theft has been placed. Then the question number 10 is success is dash on hard work. Option A depend, option B dependent, option C depend, and option D depending. So the answer for the question is option C dependent. Okay, so success is dependent on hard work. So coming to the next question is here a picture is provided, and here it's asked to find or has to count how many triangles and squares are there in the figure. So you can pause the video and count. Okay. For me, the answer obtained option A, that is 28 triangles and 5 squares. And coming to the next question is select the most suitable synonym for myth. So option A is truth, option B falsehood, option C illusions, and option D conclusions. So the answer for the question is option B falsehood. That is the most suitable synonym for myth. Then question number 17 is select the most suitable antonym for jubilant. Antonym means opposite term. Okay, option A is lethargic, option B is inebriant, and option C is refreshed, and option D is morose. So the answer for the question is option D morose. Morose means that means angry and something else, and jubilant means joyful. Okay, and so the opposite for joyful is morose. Option D is answer. So the next question is identify the meaning of idiom child's play. So the options are option A to handle a situation calmly, option B to play like a child, option C an easy task, and option D to treat lightly. So the most idiom or the meaning of idiom child's play is option C an easy task. Okay, so that's it. So let's move on to the next question. Choose a correct option. 100 plus 50 into 2. Here we need to apply BODMAS, bracket open, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. I hope you know that. Okay. So the answer for the question is very simple. Option C, 200 is the answer. And the next question is find the average of all the numbers between 6 and 34 which are divisible by 5. So here we need to find out average of all numbers that are lies between 6 and 34. Not only that, those numbers should be divisible by 5. So we know that. So the number that is divisible by 5 are 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, and these numbers are lies in between 6 and 34. So the answer for the question is option B, 20. Okay. Then the ratio of 5:4 expressed as a percentage equals. So 5:4 means 5 divided by 4 into 100, which give you the answer option D, 125 percentage. That is 125 percentage. So coming to the next question is, I gain 70 paise on rupees 70. So my gain percentage is. So we know that 1 rupees equals 100 paise. So 70 paise on rupees 70 means 0.7 divided by 70 into 100. Okay. And which gives you the answer option B, 1 percentage. So moving on to the next question. If A is to B equal 5:7 and B is to C equal 6:11, then find A is to B is to C. So the answer for this question is option B, 30:42:77. And coming to the next question is, if A does a work in 10 days and B does the same work in 15 days, and if they work together, how many days the same work will be done? So this type of question is very simple questions if you understand the trick. The equation for this question is A into B divided by A plus B, which means 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15. Then you will get the answer for this question as 6. So option B, 6 days is the correct answer for this question. So that's all for today. So in this session that we discussed part A portion, and that's a common portion for all papers. So I hope you understand, and thanks for your watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit on the bell icon. So thanks for your watching once again, and I hope this class was clear for you. See you soon. Have a great day guys and happy studying. Thank you.